Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make these beautiful works of art. Easter cupcakes. Gorgeous, artistic, edible delights. Here we go. Here's what you're going to need. You need a cupcake tin and 6 cupcake cases, 120 grams of self-raising flour, 120 grams of butter, 120 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, 50 grams of brown fondant icing, 50 grams of green fondant icing, a 58mm cookie cutter, a 30mm cookie cutter, a 6B icing nozzle, some flower decorations, a flower cutter, a cake modelling tool, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and some sugar strands. Let's start by putting our butter into a mixing bowl. Then add the sugar and give them a good whisk. Next, add in your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and crack in your eggs. Then add the flour and whisk again. Now it's time to spoon the mixture into the cupcake cases. We're going to bake those at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, and they're going to come out looking rather delicious like this. Put them aside to cool and roll out your green fondant icing. Get your 58mm cookie cutter and cut your circles out. We want 3 of these. Next, using your tool, we're going to make indents all around the edge of each circle. Ah, doesn't that look pretty? There we go! Let's get some more green fondant icing, again rolling it out. There, and this time use your flower cutter. We want 2 of these. We're going to cut it up like so, separating each point. Then, using your tool, make a little indent down the middle of each. This is to make them look like leaves. Next, get your brown fondant icing and roll it out medium thick. Use your 30mm cookie cutter to cut 3 circles. And then, using a knife, make 2 indents around the edge. Then, make further indents going upwards, like so. This is to make the pattern of what's going to be the outside of our basket. Next, using your thumb, create a dent in the middle. Let's cut up some more brown fondant icing and slice it like so. We've got 3 pieces. Take the first and roll it between your hands to make a sausage shape, very long and thin. Then cut it in the middle. Even it out. Stick the ends together and twist. Perfect. Chop off the ends to make it an even horseshoe shape. We want 3 of those. They will be the handles for your baskets. So, here are all the pieces to put together. Let's start piping our buttercream icing onto the cupcakes. As you can see, we've left a hole in the middle of each one. Sprinkle on your sugar strands. Lovely. Now let's get our green fondant icing cutouts. Pipe on a little icing in the middle and stick on your brown fondant icing basket. Then, using some small pieces of wire as support, we're going to piece it all together. So put one piece of wire on each side of the basket, like so. Then pipe on a little icing and some in the middle. And now stick on your twisted handle. You see how it's all coming together? Brilliant. And let's place some chocolate eggs in the middle. And our green fondant leaves, accompanied by the flower decorations. Brilliant! Now all you need to do is stick your basket onto your cupcake. And we are done. Look at that! Beautiful Easter baskets on top of delicious vanilla cupcakes. Awesome! Feel free to make any kind of basket you like. We've made it using fondant icing, but you could use candies or chocolates. Anything you like, really. Whatever you do, I'm sure it's going to look fantastic. Easter cupcakes. Why not have a go? They're delicious.